If your Claude AI payment is failing, it usually isn't because the platform is broken, but rather because your bank or browser is acting like a strict bouncer at a club. You are trying to get through, but one tiny detail is keeping you locked out. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this right now so you can get back to your work. And if you stick around until the end, I will share a specific trick that helps you bypass these web errors entirely and usually processes your payment instantly when the website refuses to cooperate. Most of these payment failures happen because international AI services like Claude trigger automatic security flags. Think of your bank like a nervous security guard who sees a charge from a digital service and decides to block it just in case. It is an automated reflex designed to protect you, but it ends up being a huge headache when you actually want to buy the subscription. Another common culprit is your browser's memory getting cluttered with old data that conflicts with the payment gateway. The first thing you need to do is a deep dive into your payment details. Open your banking app and look at your profile exactly as it is written. Every single character in your card number, expiry date, and CVV must be perfect. Even more important is your billing address. If you moved recently, or if your bank uses a specific abbreviation for your street name that you aren't using on the Claude checkout page, the system will reject you immediately. Match every letter and space exactly. Next, you need to verify if your specific card is actually allowed to make this purchase. Many banks block international or online service payments by default to prevent fraud. If you are using a prepaid or virtual card, stop right there. Claude often rejects these because they lack a solid link to a verified identity. You should switch to a standard Visa or MasterCard issued by a physical bank. While you are at it, check your balance. It sounds obvious, but sometimes a small, unexpected fee can leave you just a few cents short of the subscription price, causing an instant decline. If your card is definitely good, the problem is likely your browser. Your cache and cookies might be holding on to old, corrupted data from a previous session. Go into your browser settings, clear your cache and site data for Claude.com, and try again. If you want to move faster, just open an incognito window or try a completely different browser like Firefox or Edge. This gives you a fresh start without any old extensions or plugins interfering with the payment script. Watch out for the 3D secure prompt. This is that extra verification screen that asks for a code from an SMS or your banking app. Sometimes this window fails to pop up or gets blocked by an ad blocker. If you see a loading spinner that never ends, check your phone for a notification from your bank. You must approve the transaction there before the website will let you through. Now, here is the pro tip I promised you for when the website just won't behave. If you have tried different cards and browsers and nothing works, stop fighting with the web version. Download the official Claude app on your iPhone or Android device and subscribe through the App Store or Google Play Store. These mobile stores use their own payment systems, which are much more flexible and usually bypass the strict online service blocks that individual banks put on Stripe transactions. It works almost every time because you are paying Apple or Google instead of a direct international merchant. If you have tried all of that and you still see an error, it is time to contact support. Make sure you take a screenshot of the exact error message and note down your card type and country. This helps the support team find your specific failed attempt in the system logs and manually clear the path for you. Most of the time, just waiting a few hours for the payment gateway to reset will do the trick, so don't panic if it doesn't work on the first try.